Assalamu alaikum, grade one, and welcome to your computing class. I'm your ma'am Omama. You know that in our last week we started the topic internet, right? And now we are covering topics related to that. In our previous classes, we were discussing or dealing only with computer, its part, input and output devices, what are different roles of computer and all that, right? But now we are discussing, let's say, what is internet, what is browser, how we can search for something, what are different what are the keywords that we should use to search for something, right? What are different browsers, what is a web page, why do we call it as web page, and etc etc. So the topic that we will be covering today is that we will be discussing or finding some facts about a web page. Okay. Let's take it as whenever you visit a restaurant, they give you a menu book, right? And on that, all of the food items, all of the items that the restaurant is offering you, they are divided into proper headings. Let's say there is a heading for all of the drinks, then there is a heading for all of desserts, then there is all for all rice, for all karais, and all that. It depends what type of restaurant you are visiting, and then you choose whatever you like from that and you order it, right? Similarly, when you search for something on internet, whatever the browser you are using, they it, as a result of that, open a web page in front of that. And what do that web page do? It represents you with that information which you needed, right? So basically, you ordered something. The internet is like a restaurant. You order something, and then it gives you a menu, and then from that menu you choose whatever you like, whatever you want to search for, right? So I'll show you a demo for that, and then we will you will practice the same whatever I show you. Before that, let's read what is written in your book. Web pages are grouped together to make a website, and when all of the web pages are grouped together, they together make a website. And features on that website will helps us find the facts. So now the title bar shows the name. Let's say now what are the different items in that web page. Let's say this title, it shows you that what this web page is about, right? It basically tells you about that. Then this is the menu, is a list of things that you can choose on a website. Let's say you can discover something, you can play and win, you can, there is kids club, then you can subscribe the channel. So these are all menu options, and from that, whatever you want to do, you can choose that. So internet or a web page basically acts as a restaurant for you, from where you order something and you can do whatever you want to. Now I'm going to share the screen with you, and then I'll show you, let's say, what we can do with a web page. Okay. So show me a thumbs up if it is visible to you or not. Okay. You would be following me in the same manner. Whatever the browser you have, just open it. Now, this is, let's quickly revise what we did in yesterday's class as well. Now, this is a web page. Why it's a web page? Because it has collected together all of the information that we needed. Let's say I want to search for something, and this page is giving me that opportunity that I can search for something. So, this is acting as a web page for me. And in that, we have different options as well, right? So, and here are two search engines, two search bars over there and over there, and we can search on every on whatever we want to. Let's say the topic I want to search is continents of the world, right? Now continents of the world is the topic that I want to search for. And now this another web page has opened for me, and there are different options for me. Now I can choose anything, whatever I want from that. And if we talk about the menu that I was telling you, that it act as a restaurant, now the menu are all images, videos, books, and more. So you can choose whatever you want to. Let's say I want to download some of the images related for the continents of the world, so I'll click on images. Now that was something that I ordered to Google, all right, or to web page, and now it has given me the results for that, that there are different images for continents are in front of me. Now I can choose any one of that. Let's say I choose this one. Now I can download this, I can see this on my screen and do multiple functions with that. So what are certain facts about internet, or the web page. That web page basically it acts as a menu book for us, and whenever we click on or whenever we search for something and a web page opens in front of us, it gives us multiple options, multiple opportunities to work with that, and we can do whatever we want to, or let's say whatever we need. Let's say I want to search for images, I can open that. I want to see a video for that, I can do that as well. I want a sum up of all of these things, then there is that option available as well. So it is acting as a menu book for me, as a restaurant for me. Now you will be practicing the same. Choose any topic whatever you like, click on that browser that you have in your computers, open that. A web page would be open in front of you, and then in the search engine type whatever you want to, and then show me what are the results in front of that, right? After opening that, tell me what are the menu options in your web page. Like I show you that there were the options like images, videos, and all that. Tell me what are the options available to you in your web page, okay? And you can choose any topic which is your favorite. Hurry up, open your browsers and tell me if you need any kind of help, okay? Start doing. Yes. Yes, Elise, are you with us? Are you working? Okay, good. Is there any confusion? No, perfect. Okay. Yes, Ahmed, are you working? Any confusion? No. Okay. Okay, so tell me what are the options? Like the options which are given in your book, the discover, then playing games, like discover, play and win, kids club, subscribe, then primary resources, register, login. All of these are because it's a website which is related to rainforest kids, and then it is displaying multiple options. Same as this, you are supposed to open a website and then you are supposed to tell me what are the options which are available on your website. Okay, hurry up, open it and tell me. Okay. Or you can search for the same, right? Rainforest for kids, and then show me what are the options. Hurry up. Done? Did you get the options? Is there any confusion? Okay, great. Okay, class, that was all for today. We are practicing on internet and we will practice more. Tomorrow's inshallah, in tomorrow's class, inshallah, we will be doing the same, some practical work. We will revise whatever we have covered in this week, and I'll take a small quiz from you as well. So do revise whatever we have done. Do practice it at home as well. And let me know if you have any question or any query. Okay. So do subscribe this channel, share this video with others because it's free learning. Do good and have good. See you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.